So today we learn about chemical properties of metals and nonmetals. So the chapter name is metals and nonmetals. In that particularly we are going to discuss about chemical properties of metals and nonmetals. Here chemical properties means these are the properties of the particular compound when it is combined with other compounds. Suppose I said chemical properties of metals means in there so many categories will be there. In that reaction with oxygen, that means the reaction of metal with oxygen, the reaction of metal with water, the reaction of metal with acids. So chemical properties means these are properties of the particular metals when they combine with others, when they react with others. Chemically how they react with others, that is read under the name of chemical properties. Okay, let's see in that first one. In the syllabus we learn four main properties, chemical properties of metals and nonmetals. First one is reaction with oxygen, reaction with water, reaction with acids, reaction with bases. Let us see first one, reaction with oxygen. So first we learn about metal with oxygen as well as non-metal with oxygen. See, metals with oxygen. As we learned in previous class, metals means metals are substance which has a luster nature, which shows malleability, ductility. Luster means shining nature, ductility means which can be made into wire forms, malleability means which can be made into sheet forms. Metals makes sonorous sound, which makes louder sound. When such metals are reacted with oxygen, what happens? We can see this in our daily life. So many times we see these reactions. Metals with oxygen. For example, rusting of iron and copper. You must have observed in your homes that iron nails, a fresh iron nail will be having one color. When iron nail is exposed to the air or water for some time or for some days, it changes color. Fresh iron will be silvery gray color. When it is exposed to the oxygen and water, it undergoes a chemical reaction. It forms a compound which we call that as rust. It is common with a substance which is made up of iron. The color of the rust is brown. What is rust actually? Very simple. If you look at this formula, this is a formula of rust which contains iron, oxygen as well as water. So iron on reaction with oxygen and water, iron, fresh iron, oxygen O2 and water, it forms a compound called iron oxide. Iron with oxygen, it is said to be iron oxide along with water. This is called rust, which has a brown in color. Similarly, we can see copper with water and oxygen as well as carbon dioxide. When copper is reacted with water and oxygen and carbon dioxide, copper combines with all these elements and forms two types of compounds. You can see very clearly copper plus water plus oxygen plus CO2 forms copper hydroxide plus copper carbonate. This is having the color of green. Copper original color is brown. It turns into green after exposure to the air.